Ext JS is a pure JavaScript application framework for building interactive web applications using techniques such as Ajax, DHTML and DOM scripting. Originally built as an add-on library extension of YUI by Jack Slocum, Ext JS includes interoperability with jQuery and Prototype. Beginning with version 1.1, Ext JS retains no dependencies on external libraries, instead making their use optional. Features: GUI controls. Ext JS includes a set of GUI-based form controls for use within web applications, text field and text area input controls, date fields with a pop-up date picker, numeric fields, list box and combo boxes, radio and checkbox controls, HTML editor control, grid control, tree control, tab panels, toolbars, desktop application-style menus, region panels to allow a form to be divided into multiple subsections, sliders, vector graphics charts. Many of these controls can communicate with a web server using Ajax. Ext JS 2.0. Ext JS version 2.0 was released on December 4, 2007. This version was promoted as providing an interface and features more similar to those traditionally associated with desktop applications. Also promoted were the new user documentation, API documentation, and samples. Ext JS 2.0 did not provide a backward compatibility with version 1.1. A migration guide was developed to address this. Ext JS 3.0. Ext JS version 3.0 was released on July 6, 2009. This version added communication support for REST and a new XDirect server-side platform. New Flash charting and list view elements were added to the standard display components. It was backwards compatible with version 2.0 code. Ext JS 4.0. Version 4.0 of the Ext framework was released on April 26, 2011. It includes a completely revised class structure, a revised data package, an animation and drawing package that uses SVG and VML, and revised charting and theming. It also includes an optional architecture that provides a modeler viewer controller style of code organization. Ext JS 5.0. Version 5.0 of the Ext JS framework was released on June 2, 2014. It includes the ability to build desktop apps on touch-enabled devices using a single code base, a model view model architecture, two-way data binding, responsive layouts, and other component upgrades with support for adding widgets inside a grid cell for data visualization and big data analytics. Ext JS 5 also includes an upgraded touch-optimized charting package along with additional financial charting capabilities. Ext JS 5 supports modern and legacy browsers including Safari 6+, Firefox, IE 8+, Chrome, and Opera 12+. On the mobile platform, Ext JS 5 supports Safari on iOS 6 and 7, Chrome on Android 4.1+, and Windows 8 touchscreen devices running IE 10+. Censure. On June 15, 2010, the merge of Ext JS with JTouch and Rafal was announced, forming a new organization called Censure Incorporated. Ext JS continues to be available as a main product on the new Censure website together with Censure Touch, Censure GWT, Censure Architect, Censure Animator and Ext Core. Censure Eclipse plugin. Censure offers an Eclipse plugin, but it has a very long list of known issues and limitations, and is not integrated with Censure Architect, so it should probably best be seen as a work in progress, not a polished product. It can be used as a code editor for Censure Architect, which offers only very limited code editing, and it can be used to edit projects created with the Censure CMD command line tool. Ext.net. Ext.net is an ASP.NET component framework integrating the Ext library. Current version is 2.5, which integrates Ext JS version 4.2.1. License history. YUI Ext was available under the BSD license. In April 2008, the open source license associated with Ext was changed. In version 2.0.2, the authors stated that Ext was available under an LGPL-style license as long as you plan to use Ext in a personal, educational or non-profit manner, or in an open source project that precludes using non-open source software. or are using Ext in a commercial application that is not a software development library or toolkit. This was no longer the case with Ext 2.1. Some people claimed that the license conditions as the authors described it stood, while others claim that Clause 7 of the LGPL-style license enabled the software to be used by all regardless of Ext's conditions. The extension authors claim that Section 7 of the LGPL as it is worded did not apply to conditions, which their license required before distribution under the LGPL was permitted, as opposed to additional restrictions, which Section 7 allowed a distributor to remove. On April 20, 2008, Ext 2.1 was released under a new dual license structure which allowed the options of the full GPL 3.0 license or a proprietary license. The change in license over time, from a permissive open-source license to a restrictive dual license, caused controversy in the Ext user community. See also: Comparison of JavaScript frameworks, references, bibliography, external links, Censure website, additional examples site, Censure forum, Censure documentation, what is Ext JS, Ext JS 4+ tutorials, examples, extensions, copy-paste grid, filter row plugin, phone field, masking, query builder, Ext 4e framework, Ext.net.